Here's a quick guide to help you pump comfortably and confidently. Step 1. Prepare. Find a quiet spot, wash your hands, and make sure all pump parts are clean and dry. Relax, a few deep breaths or thinking of your baby can help your milk flow. Step 2. Assemble. Connect all parts snugly, tubing, bottles, and breast shields. Check for tight seals to keep suction strong. Step 3. Position. Center the flanges on your nipples. They should feel comfortable, not tight or painful. Step 4. Pump. Start gently to trigger let down, then increase to a steady, comfortable rhythm. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes or until your breasts feel relieved. Step 5. Store and clean. Pour milk into clean containers, label, and refrigerate or freeze. Rinse and wash all parts after each use, then let them air dry. And that's it, simple and effective. Every mom's pumping journey is unique, so find what works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another mama who might need it.